Hi YouTube. I know I haven't made a video in about 6 weeks. Nothing really going on. I just took a break. So, there you go. A lot of people have asked for an EDC update, and yeah, haven't made one in quite a while. So, here we go. Along with this gear update, I'm also going to talk a little bit about my philosophy for EDC carry. Alright, so first we have FlexFit Hat. Yeah, needs to be washed, but whatever. I love it. Still love it. Excellent hat. Fits really well. It's not adjustable. It's a little bit stretchy. So, yeah. Great hat. I wear it pretty much every time I go outside. Alright. Second, cell phone. This is a Nokia E71. I use a prepaid cell service called Smart Talk. It's $45 a month. Unlimited minutes, unlimited texting, unlimited internet access. Alright. It's got full keyboard. Yeah. This is actually a case, very thin case, like rubbery material. Got that for $10 on eBay. Yeah. Works awesome. I've had this since November, so like 9 months. Love it. Next, wallet. My friend Cole sent me a wallet made out of Gorilla Tape, and I carried it for a little while, but sorry Cole. I went back to my All-Ent brand, world's thinnest wallet, made out of like parachute material. This is actually my second one. I've had it maybe a year. It is starting to wear a little on the corners. Actually, the credit cards are wearing through, but I'll get another one eventually. But it's not about to fail for sure. Show you what's in here. I have a bunch of cards. All right, and I still have spare car key. And this little cardboard sleeve I made out of a cereal box. Alright. Keys held in with duct tape. Just slide it into a credit card slot, and you're never locked out of your car. Alright. $1 million idea right there. Okay. Inside, I have money. Alright. And over here, I have a little sleeve I made out of 3x5 cards. Inside there, I have computer passwords. Alright. And 3 band-aids. And my concealed weapon permit. I don't know about other states, but in Washington, the concealed weapon permit won't fit in a credit card slot. Alright, so there you go. So all that goes in this little sleeve. That goes in the money compartment, which is deep enough. It's as deep as the whole wallet, right? Over here, this is just a piece of notebook paper I stuck in there like months ago, and I like used it once. Alright, so it's not, I know it's just a piece of paper, but it's not worth carrying. I don't use it, so it's gone. All right. Well, it's hotter than hell here in the summer, and dehydration is always a concern. So I carry this. Not everywhere I go, but I take it to work and I take it home, and I usually drink the whole thing on my way home. Yeah. I don't know how much this holds, like 24 ounces maybe. Yeah. Water bottle. Casio G-Shock watch. I love this watch. I set it by the atomic time clock on the internet, and it does lose like 30 seconds a month. So, I think it could be more accurate. But other than that, great watch. Love it. Rings. Sometimes I will wear one or the other of these rings. This is the spinner ring. I made a video on this. The center spins around the band. Yeah. I like it. It's fun. Something to do when there's nothing to do, right? This is a ring I got at a gift shop in Florida. It's made out of hematite, which is some kind of stone. Yeah, it's just cool. Just, you know, accessory. Alright. Knives. In the summertime, I carry 3 knives. My EDC, #1 EDC choice out of all the knives I own right now is Spyderco Tenacious. I love the blade shape, the G10 handles, the pocket clip is very strong, but slimline. Yeah. The only thing I really don't like about this knife is liner lock. I think they could have done better, but anyway. #1 EDC knife. Alright. Also, Swiss Army Tinker with Phillips screwdriver blade and a lot of other blades. Mostly what I use on this is the Phillips screwdriver and regular screwdriver and little screwdriver. I've also used this hook for other things. Use it as a hook. Yeah, anyway. Also, Leatherman Squirt P4. It's so small and compact. I just throw it in my pocket. I believe the only thing I've ever used this for is the pliers. Because when you need a pair of pliers, nothing else will do, right? I don't use it very often, but when I do need pliers, boom, I got it, right? Alright. Flashlight. In the morning, it's when I go to work, it's still dark, so I use this for walkways and to maneuver through the dark house without turning on all the lights. It's a titanium LED light. I do have some of these still available at dmknifeshop.com if you want one. Very small, weighs nothing. You can put it on your keys if you want. I prefer to have it by itself. But, whatever. Okay. Next. Car keys. Well, car key, house key, work key, and all these silly little things that might save me 10% or might not. Whatever. Folding nail clippers. Snoopy. I got this off eBay. It actually shipped from China to me. I've tried a lot of different nail clippers, folding nail clippers, but I like this one the best because all the edges are round. It's not going to wear a hole in my pocket. And I carry it because you get a jagged fingernail or a hangnail or something. I don't know. It just bugs me. I got to take care of it, right? And also, a lot of people will ask me, "Do you have nail clippers?" Because they have the same problem, but they don't have nail clippers with them. So, yeah. Snoopy, that's cool. Little metal box for aspirin. Fisher Spaceman. I first saw this on Cutlery Lover's channel. He did a review of his, and I'm like, oh, that is so cool. I gotta have one. I've had this more than a year. I use it almost every day, and I still haven't had to buy ink refills for it. So, yeah. Also, I left it at Denny's twice, and I turned around and went back, and it was still there. So, there you go. Fisher Spaceman. I'll get to that. Also, this is just a little rock that my friend Teresa gave me. It's an appreciation stone. It's just in my pocket, and when I reach in for, usually when I reach in for something else, I find this in there, and I'm like, yeah, oh yeah. That just kind of causes me to think about things that I'm grateful for, and to appreciate my life, and just to be happy, right? Yeah, because the way you think about your life kind of causes your life to be that way. I know, it's all esoteric or whatever, but anyway, that's me. This is my channel. That's how I do it. So, something to think about. Might be something you want to try, maybe not. Maybe you don't care. Whatever. Okay. Okay. Belt. My rule is if I have belt loops, I'm always wearing a belt. Alright? My number one choice is a thick leather police style belt. This one has the basket weave pattern. I like it. I've tried a lot of other belts, and this is not a Bianchi. Bianchi makes the best, but this is like half the price of a Bianchi. Yeah, got it at a Western store. Anyway, I've tried other belts. I really like this style, these belts. The top one is fairly stiff nylon. The bottom one is cotton. Yeah, I like these, but as far as wearing, no, I always go back to the leather. Alright. Okay, my philosophy on EDC gear. If you don't use something, don't carry it. If you find that you need something, like, I bought this because I kept asking people to borrow a pen. Can I borrow a pen? Do you have a pen? And I don't like that. I want to be prepared. I don't want to be in a situation where, oh, I wish I had a pair of pliers. Well, boom, I got it. Or I wish I had my Swiss Army knife because somebody needs help turning a screw, right? Yeah, I know, that's what she said, but whatever. Yeah, I don't want to be in that situation. I don't want to be somewhere where I'm like, I wish I had a flashlight. Well, boom, I got one. Alright, so that's why I carry all this crap. And it's really not that big a deal, because nothing is really very heavy. The phone and water bottle are the heaviest things, and normally I'm just carrying them in my hands, right? Or I might slip my phone into my pocket. But, whatever. Okay, that's it. EDC update, August 8th, 8/8/2011. Alright. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.